Chief Minister Biren leads the people in paying homage to Manipuri martyrs who sacrificed their lives for the freedom of their motherland. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah appeals to shun violence for development of the state as a tribute to martyrs who laid down their lives for our freedom. People observe Patriots Day across the state. Speakers unveil statue of Bir Tikendrajit in Hosai. And NIAD explodes at Naurim Laikai amid security measures by police ahead of Independence Day celebration. People protest blast. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Victoria Rajkumari bringing you the top stories. Patriots Day is being commemorated across the state today. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren led the people in paying homage to the Manipuri martyrs who sacrificed their lives for the freedom of their motherland on the day. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren, his cabinet colleagues, former Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam, MLAs, top civil and police officials and people paid tribute to the freedom fighters of the state who fought against the British during the Anglo-Manipuri War at the memorial of Yuvraj Tikendrajit at Hicham Mecham Path in the morning. The day commemorates the hanging of two brave sons of Manipur, Yuvraj Tikendrajit and Thangal General on this day in 1891 before a crowd of thousands of Manipuris for waging war against the British Empire. A contingent of Manipur rifles gave a gun salute in respect of the martyrs. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah has called for unity and appealed to people to shun violence for the development of the state. She said this will be the real tribute to the martyrs who laid down their lives in the freedom struggle. On the other hand, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren maintained that the leaders of both the hills and the valley sacrificed their lives for our freedom. He said one should not take political advantage by dividing the hills and the valley and that Manipur is both for the hills and the valley. As a part of Patriots Day, the Governor and Chief Minister paid floral tributes at Kangla, Uttara. A contingent of Manipur rifles gave a gun salute in respect of the martyrs. A public meeting was later held at Bir Tikendrajit Park with Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah and Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren as the chief guest and the guest of honor. Speaking on the occasion, the governor said Manipuris exhibited to the world they have mettle to fight against the world's mightiest of forces for the freedom of their motherland. History has it that unity has the proof that external forces can take advantage of a situation.
We should take some kind of a pledge today that we will shun all violence, that all of us will work together for the development of our state and make Manipur the #1 state in the entire country. Now, you have a democratically elected government. It is our duty, it is our government. It is not the foreigners who are occupying it. Let's come together, make a pledge in the memory of all those people who laid their lives to save our Manipur.
Violence hadong koi. Violence hadok de koi. Karimata warosin porpoyaroi. Hiram khudimukta dialogue natraga de koi solution amda porpongamoy. Adun mayam punamakta laibiri ba problem sing ama kari kari anything madoi koi wari sanaraga loisan minasi Manipur da leiba jati khudima kai na appeal tawri ai community khatagi khallaga wangang ba ai community gi oiba mafam tanba ai community gi mafam samgatpa topiraga apunna Manipur amagi asa de koi mang thangdinsi pai pusingna kalamba wana Farsi tawninga tawjo ai nakhoida aigi leibak aigi ningkha tamadi surrender tawroi haidana chatki bai pai pusinga ningsingaga adugumba moina ngak aga thanamba punma Manipur se khoi singtam punna oiminasi ai nai ngasi asugumba terrorism ki khudong saba silorga mayamda appeal tawjabani.
Floral tributes were also offered to Thangal General Memorial at Palace Compound. Chief Minister, his cabinet colleagues, MLAs, top officials and civil and police were also present on the occasion. A police contingent of 1st Manipur Rifles gave a gun salute to honor the freedom fighter. Manipuris living in Dholpukri in Hojai district of Assam also marked the Patriots Day. A statue of Bir Tikendrijit was also unveiled at the observance. Speaker Yumnam Khemchan and Forest and Environment Minister Thongnautam Shyam Kumar, who also attended the event, offered floral tributes to the Manipuri martyrs. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC also commemorated the Patriots Day at Congress Bhavan on BT Road. MPCC President T.N. Haukip, former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi, former Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam and Congress MLAs, party leaders and workers paid tribute to the martyrs on the occasion. Speaking at the event, Okram Ibobi said the present generation must respect the supreme sacrifices made the freedom fighters.
Sacrifice tawraba adugumba hero singro aduguma kunna koi kai kunaba ujaba leimanam tawsu hei manam tu katpa kunjo se koi yamna laibu khabani tungda horkaduriba Manipur da leiminariba koi sinau puding makna sigumbagi spirit haibatare koi mama leba kitam tada koi laioi khraba adugumba thoba singdugi thona maringje thona se pibi duna Manipur se amatani koi punamakna masigi apunba saktam se koi hero singna kathok piramba maina koi punamak kathokuna Manipur se koi Manipur ya apun masina minarasi.
Maitai Council More, All Manipur Development Organization More, Khan Nongpok Apunba Nupi Lup More, Nupi Kunai Chakot Lamjing Lup More, Muslim Women Development Association, Minority Women Society and MSU Technopal District Committee also observed the 126th Patriots Day at Ima Kontong Laidenbi More. SP Technopal Dr. Sarangthem Ibomcha and representatives of various organizations of More town paid homage to Bir Tikendrijit and Thangal General. A recitation competition on patriotism for students was also held on the occasion. Manipur State Sumang Lila Council also observed the Patriot State Iboyaima Shanglen Sumang Lila today. Wangoi MLA Olukhoi and State Secretary of Communist Party of India, Dr. M. Nara, who is also the Chief Advisor of Manipur State Sumang Lila Council, were among those present on the occasion. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. Nara maintained that Sumang Lila have been playing a major role in showcasing the art and culture of the state to the world. Public support is a must to develop this form of art. Mari Ningba Kweresana, a play collaborated by 8 different Sumang Lila groups, was showcased on the occasion.
Aihasu Sakar Sida Yautaba MLA Amok Jabanina, I might be the issue, Hariba, Honorable Minister, the Kande, Chief Minister, the Kande, Art and Culture Minister, the Kande, Taupoyaba State Key of Pugi, Amakatanairaba, Sumangla, Singlen Chair, when Toan Bharati State, Kiada, Sigumba, Uttana, Patana recognized over Vadumba, Pagati Singatani. And promote the way by saying it's our responsibility ni hadna when the logon trade so that to Sakana so sige it's our responsibility se logi kani hana so koi khanjai.
Patriotic Writers Forum Manipur and Langthabal Kunja Junior High School also marked Patriots Day at the school. Students paid floral tribute at the portraits of the patriot, including Bir Tikendrajit and Thangal General. Delhi Manipur Society Dimas also held a Patriots Day in New Delhi. Members of the society offered floral tributes to the martyrs on the occasion. Different organizations paid tributes to the freedom fighters in Thoubal district. Foundation for Healthy People Manipur Wangjing marked today at Lamding Community Hall at Lamding Konung Lampak. Similar events were held in different parts of the district to honor the martyrs. District Administration Bishnupur observed the 126th Patriots Day at new mini secretariat complex. Floral tributes were offered at the portraits of Bir Tikendrajit and Thangal General. Civil and police officials of the district attended the event. Eastern Student Club Noebung observed the Patriots Day at their office today. People offered floral tributes at the portrait of Bir Tikendrajit and Thangal General. Painting and spelling competition were also held for students on the occasion. Young Social Service Union commemorated the Patriots Day at Sagolban Moirang Lerak Nepram Manjor Laikai. Painting competition for students was the highlight of the observance. Manipur Home Guard Employees Welfare Association also observed the Patriots Day at their headquarters in Lamphel. Kanglei Women's Society Manipur organized state-level patriotic song competition at Lamyan Basanglen Palace compound on the occasion of Patriots Day today. 74 singers participated in the competition. Attendees paid floral tributes to the patriots who sacrificed their lives for the freedom of their motherland.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯊꯋꯥꯏ ꯀꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯀꯟꯕꯤꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯊꯋꯥꯏ ꯀꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯑꯊꯧꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯩꯁꯛꯄꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯩ ꯃꯌꯦꯛꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯔꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯄꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯖꯕ ꯁꯩꯁꯛꯄꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯁꯛꯑꯒ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯔꯣꯜꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯏꯁꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯦꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯩ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯇꯥꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯍꯣꯡꯕ ꯈꯔꯇꯪ ꯄꯨꯖꯔꯛꯑꯒ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯑꯆꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯗ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯗ ꯈꯟꯖꯔꯒ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯝꯄꯤꯇꯤꯁꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯕꯅꯤ.
Social Warriors Manipur and RIMS jointly held a blood donation camp to mark the Patriots Day at Yaripur Community Hall today. Around 70 persons, including volunteers of the club, donated blood at the camp. Sirka Students Front also observed the Patriots Day at Kwakaithel Girls High School. Acting Chief Justice and Koteshwar yesterday visited the National Highway 37 just Imphal Jiribam Road to assess the condition of the road. Chief Justice Koteshwar stated the road does not have a standard of a national highway. The inspection began at 5 in the morning. Justice K.H. Novin, Advocate General, senior advocates, officers of registry, officials of department concerned, and members of all Manipur Road Transport Drivers and Motors Workers Union also took part in the inspection. And Koteshwar maintained that the inspection was carried out in connection with PIL files regarding the deplorable condition of the road. The team inspected the condition of the road till Makru Bridge and came across a landslide and huge potholes on the road. Some workers were seen repairing the iron planks of the bridge.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯣꯔꯠꯇ ꯐꯝꯃꯒ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯇꯥꯕꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯇꯪ ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯏꯁꯥꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯁꯦ ꯂꯩꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯝꯃꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯏꯟꯁꯄꯦꯛꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯅꯤ. ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯁꯤ ꯐꯤꯕꯝ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯐꯅ ꯎꯗꯦ. ꯃꯥꯀꯨꯔꯗꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯐꯠꯇꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ. ꯒꯥꯔꯤ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯌꯥꯗꯦꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ. ꯃꯁꯤ ꯏꯝꯄ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯗꯤ ꯒꯣꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅꯁꯨ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯂꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤ. ꯊꯣꯡ ꯁꯥꯅꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛꯁꯨ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤ. ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯆꯍꯤ 2-3ꯗꯤ ꯆꯪꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤ. ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯆꯍꯤ 2-3ꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯗ ꯋꯥꯍꯟꯗꯕꯤꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯨ ꯈꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯁꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯟꯅꯁꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ. PIL 2-3 ꯂꯩꯔꯤ. ꯑꯇꯩꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯂꯞꯅ ꯇꯥꯔꯒ ꯈꯟꯅꯔꯤ. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ PIL ꯁꯤꯗ ꯔꯥꯏꯠ ꯇꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯥꯔꯁ ꯍꯦꯟ ꯅꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯠ ꯏꯟꯁꯄꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯁꯦꯅ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯈꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯂꯥꯛ.
Nambol Municipal Council organized an awareness program with the objective to eradicate poverty in areas under Nambol Ward number 18 under National Urban Livelihood Mission as a part of Din Dayal Antyodaya Yojana at Nambol Bazaar Community Hall today. A rally by the self-help groups and area was also taken out. Chairperson of Nambol Municipal Council, C.H. Basanta, Vice Chairperson and Councillor of the Council were present at the event. Speaking on the occasion, C.H. Basanta said, waiting for government jobs will hinder development and we must start making use of the loans provided by the government. Indigenous People Association of Kanglaipat has condemned Kerao MLA for supporting housey game at Kiamgai when the association has banned the game in the state. Speaking to media persons at the association office at Kishampat today, General Secretary of the association, W. Santa Meitai, said the association has not only put a ban on housey, which is a form of gambling, but also has been urging the government to form a policy to ban the game in the state. He said housey not only wastes time but also money in poor state like Manipur. He said when they went at Kiamgai, upon hearing that housey game was being conducted at Kiamgai, organized by United Progressive Adult Association, they couldn't restrict as the game was being played under the supervision of MLA Rameshwar.
तंगाई फदना हाउसी ओरो नत्रगना हाउसी नतबा अतोपा फंड ड्राइव तौनबगी अतोपा नियम अमा ओरो अथुब मतमना सेमन जनिंगे मरमदी ngasi थेंगनरिबा मयामसिंग ngasi अखोई थंगाई सेंगना मसीगी मेरिट दि मेरिट येंजरबा मतुंगदा अखोई ngasi इपाकना ngasi हाउसी थिंगबगी खोंजन जि चंगसरकपने अदुगा लौरेंबम रामेश्वरना इपाकना मतम सांगना चंगसनजरिबा थबक थोरम सिबो तुंगोइनबिरमगा करिसु खंजनदबा मवोंगदा लेबाक मियामगी महुत सिल्लगा चंगसनजरिबा थबक थोरम जिबो करिसु खंगबिदना ngarang tawgiba thawong asi laibak thibani matungda makhatana kendra gi leibiriba MLA minister singna mana tawriba asigumna tawbi danaba ipaki maigedagi aroiboina tamjeri.
A bomb exploded at Kawa Naram Laikai this morning amid tight security measures taken by the police in view of the Independence Day celebration in the state. The bomb, suspected to be an IED fitted with timer, exploded this morning around 9:40 near a transformer near Kawa Naram Laikai, Nompok Panthoibi under Singjamai police station. However, the blast caused no casualty. SP Imphal West, commandant of 6 Assam Rifles and officers of Singjamai police rushed at the spot to take stock of the situation. A police bomb squad collected samples from the blast site. Residents of Kawa Naram Laikai staged a sit-in against a bomb blast and arrest of a person from the locality by a police in connection with the blast. Sources said Imphal West Police Commander arrested Naurem Bhumi, 58 years, from the locality around 10 in the morning without giving arrest memo. The protesters chanted slogans against the bomb blast and arrest of an innocent person. People today demonstrated against yesterday's powerful explosion near Wangjing Tekcham Laikai Pukriya Choba. Friends Union Club and residents of the locality staged a sit-in and later held a public meeting condemning the explosion. The meeting demanded clarification from those responsible and resolved not to allow outsiders in the locality after 8:30 p.m.
Yang santi lain lejawa mafam amani ngahani aikoi umkhataba leuragasu asiguma mafam asida kanabu yimna bagino sipagi oiragana makoino mitudigi petrolling jali kamno moi mukulai muthodana kamno adu natabida akoi gi mafam asida hekta lairiba angang nubi mipung khuding mangi paina daba miwai amata yawramoi mase yamna nungai daba thodoni matungda amuna tawbigano PSF hariba lairiba sisu kari gi daba tano makoina adu gumba matam ado adom duty laiduna makoi ngak chengadaba matam aduda laite aduga pokhairabagi matamduda di makoi gurung chele aduga mi buju salhandi.
Siddharth Moirangthem, the 18-year-old son of former Education Minister Moirangthem Okendro, died in an unfortunate incident at House Khas in Delhi. Sources said he died after falling from a second-floor apartment yesterday afternoon. He was a student of BA first year. Sources also said Delhi police had registered a case. The body will be brought to Imphal tomorrow by the first Indigo flight. Siddharth had admitted himself at Delhi College of Arts and Science. However, he got an opportunity to study in Sri Venkateshwara College after the college lowered the cut-off mark. Sources said after collecting his documents from Delhi College of Arts and Science, Siddharth had gone to a restaurant on the way. Unconfirmed reports suggest that the incident took place at the restaurant. Another report said he was pushed from a building. A team of Imphal West Police Commando led by Deputy SP Rojit Irom conducted door-to-door search operation at Khagimpally Panthak Mayai Lambi Crossing, Singjabum Lerak, Wanthap Lerak and Singjamai from 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. this morning. About 200 persons were verified during the operation. In run-up to Independence Day, Imphal East Police conducted a search operation at Mantripukhi Mercy Lane and its adjoining areas from 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. today. 192 females, 355 males and 5 transgenders were verified and released later. Police team led by additional SP L Khongsai, SDPO Churachandpur, SDPO Thalong and Women Police conducted cordon and search operation this morning from 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. at Thingkhangphai, Churachandpur. Around 200 persons were verified and no arrest was made. A team of Thoubal District Police also conducted a cordon search operation at Yaripok, Khuidrom Laikai from 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. as a part of the security measures taken ahead of the Independence Day celebrations. Deputy SP Operations Sasidananda Soibam, Deputy SP Commando Premjit, OC Yaripok, teams of police, Thoubal Police, Women Police and Police Commando conducted the operation. A total of 113 persons, including 51 females, were verified during the operation, and 3 persons were picked up for further verification at Yaripok police station. Foot patrolling and area sensitization were also carried out at Leshamlok village, Thoubal. SP Technopol Dr. S. Bomcha today monitored the measures introduced from 10th of this month to implement Indian traffic rules and regulation from Indo-Myanmar Friendship Gate No. 1 to Namphalong. A team consisting of Dr. S. Bomcha and ADC More and Gojendra checked if the commuters from Myanmar followed the keep left rule. The team was happy to find that people from Myanmar are following the Indian rules. People held a discussion on the Manipur Private School Registration and Regulation Bill 2017 passed by the Manipur Assembly yesterday at Little Rose Higher Secondary School in Thoubal, Hauka. The meeting, organized by a recognized private school, Welfare Association Manipur, expressed their objection to the bill. Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons Manipur held home-based counseling program at Iroisemba and Terabazar yesterday. The center yesterday visited S. Ringo at his house at Iroisemba and handed over a hearing aid to him. People continue to donate to Chief Minister Relief Fund for the flood victims. Government Drivers and Technical Association Tingakam Yumjao from Haingang, a group of Manipuris working at Guwahati-based Railway Protection Force, donated to the CMRF yesterday. A district-level painting competition was held in connection with Khulme Soche Azadi Week at Kiyama Ningsing Sanglin, Bishnupur. District Water and Sanitization Committee and Bishnupur Swachh Bharat Mission Coordinating Committee, Bishnupur, jointly organized the competition. 350 students from different schools in Bishnupur district participated in the competition, held in 2 categories from class 3 to 5 and from class 6 to 10. Lions Club Thoubal, Leo Club Thoubal, teaching and non-teaching staff of Thoubal College and United Generation Committee Thoubal Leishangthem Khong Manung today held a free medical camp at Thoubal Leishangthem Khong Manung. Rotary Club of Polo City Imphal planted saplings under the theme Go Green Manipur on Sparting Society Manipur campus. President Secretary and members of Rotary Club of Polo City Imphal and Founder Secretary and members of Sparting Society attended the event. President of Rotary Club Birla Hobijam said the saplings were planted to help prevent the drastic change in climatic conditions. And in sports news, KIYC Khetri Iril Mapal beat a rival in Moirangthem Ibobi Memorial First Division Football League Tournament. In the 9 league match played today at ABA Playground, KIYC Khetri Iril Mapal beat Angtha FC by 1-0. For the winners, Mohammad Sabir netted their lone goal in the 56th minute of the match. KIYC Khetri Iril Mapal's Mohammad Nawaz Khan and Angtha's FC Bipin were awarded a yellow card by the center referee. 8 teams are taking part in the First Division Football League organized under the aegis of Imphal East District Football Association. Nesu Kurai will meet PRYA Kundrakpam in the 10th league match tomorrow. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Biren leads the people in paying homage to Manipuri martyrs who sacrificed their lives for the freedom of their motherland. Governor Dr. Najma Abdullah appears to shun violence for development of the state as a tribute to martyrs who laid down their lives for our freedom. People observe Patriots Day across the state. Speakers unveil statue of Bir Tikendrajit in Hosai. And an IED explored at Naurem Laikai amid security measures by police ahead of Independence Day celebration. People protest blast.